how to create GitHub repository and push code. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just go to the GitHub website and then just sign in your account. And then once you're here, let's just create a repository. So just go here at the top right corner, click on create new, and then just click on new repository. And then after that, what you want to do now is to just name your repository. So for example, I'll just name it hello world. And then after that, you can add a description if you want to, set it to public and private. I'll just add a readme file, and feel free to customize this section out. And then once you're done, just click on create repository. And then there you go. We have now made our repository. So next, what you want to do is to just open up your IDE. So I'll be using vscode. And then after that, what you want to do now is to just go to the terminal right here. And before you go to the terminal, make sure that you should open the folder that you want to push into your GitHub repository. So in here, I have a sample. I have a Java file over here that just prints out hello world. So yeah, so make sure that you have all of your files ready. So after preparing your files and your folder, now we're ready to push. So to do that, what you want to do is to just type in git init. And then next, what you want to do is to just type in git add space dot. So basically what dot does, it will add all of your files in your folder. But if you only want to add a specific file, just surround it with quotation marks and then just enter your file name here and then just end it with a quotation mark. But for me, I'll just use a dot since it's easier and shorter. Next, what we're going to do now is to commit. So git commit -m, initial commit with all files. But if you want to commit a specific file again, just replace this text over here in the quotation marks with your file name, and then just click on enter, and then there you go. So next, what we're going to do now is to add an origin. So just type in git remote add origin, go to your GitHub repository, click on code, and then just copy this URL to your clipboard, go back to VS Code, paste it, and then just click on enter. And then lastly, what we're going to do now is push. So what you want to do is to type in git push -u origin and then the name of your repository, or what you can also do is type in main or master. So yeah, and then once you're done, just click on enter. And then there you go. So I had an error a while ago on using the origin main. So I just used the origin and the name of my repository, which is hello world. And then after that, so you can see it will now be added. So what you want to do now is just go back to your repository in GitHub, refresh your page, and then there you go. So yeah, I have made another branch. So instead of using the main branch, I used a different branch, which is hello world. So as you can see that the hello world file is now here. So when I open this up, as you can see, I can now access the code that I just pushed, which is just Java code that just prints out hello world, and then you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a GitHub repository and push code.